Good morning from my part. And as Greg already said, we are going to do long-term storage now for the next, let's see, 2.5 hours probably, including an exercise. So long-term storage and archiving. Goal of this session, a part of obviously telling you about long-term storage and archiving, I would like to use the online help, because this topic has been implemented in the online help really well. So we will have a lot of information there, so you are aware of it. And whatever all the information which didn't make it into the online help, I put it on the slides, on this presentation, basically. Okay, and certain information on this presentation, on those slides, are a bit different to the way it is shown in the online help. So that's basically what I'm having in the presentation. So I will be using this presentation, I will be using the online help, and of course also the running system, basically, to be able to show you the feature of long-term storage. So in this session we will cover the encrypting communication. We can encrypt communication between project database and history database and SQL. This is possible. This is an enhancement, wasn't possible before. Then when there is a long-term storage, there's also a short-term storage. Okay, so the short-term storage is what we know so far as HDB, as history database. That's what we still have, of course, and what we know since the beginning of Desigo CC, since the first version of Desigo CC. And then the archiving concept. So learning the encrypting the communication to the history database, then learning the concept of short-term storage, long-term storage, and archiving, then becoming familiar with the different example of long-term storage and archiving concept in the help, and showing also how to find the valuable information in the help, and giving hints for planning and archive concept. So at almost the end of this session, we will be having a look how to plan, how to estimate long-term storage, slices, and so on and so on. If you entering those terms here, or descriptions, in the online help, yeah, the Desigo CC just said bye-bye, by the way. Anyway, if you're entering those terms in the online help, you will find then directly basically the information we were looking at, okay? This is a help because online help is all new to us, also for us trainers, basically, okay? This is new in version 3. You know by now that the online help in version 3 has changed. And I wanted to give you the possibility, basically, to how to find the right pages in the online help. Eventually we will, with the time, we will get used to the online help, and you will find them much more easy. But this is what we are going to see basically in this session, all those topics and terms.